Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Welcome to Ecolink English Center. Mid test, video mid test for kids 4. My name is Peter Paul. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Peter Chu. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Vietnam. I like chicken. I like color is red.
What do you want to become in future? Teacher. Doctor, nurse, teacher, pilot, musician, firefighter. Okay, good. Teacher, want to become a firefighter. Can you tell us the difference in pictures in picture number 1, the difference?
Picture D.
Okay, why?
This picture ABC is hair. Picture D is nowhere.
So you don't have hair. Okay. What about the pictures in number 2?
This picture D.
Why?
Picture ABC nowhere. Picture D is hair.
Okay. What about the pictures in number 3? What is the difference?
This picture D.
Why? Okay, let's move on to the next set of pictures. Can you tell us the difference in number 1?
Picture D. Picture I. Picture D. Picture C is one person. Picture D is two person.
Okay, 2 people. What about pictures in number 2?
Is picture D.
Why?
This picture I. B. C is in water. Picture D is no water.
Okay, it's not in water. What about the pictures in number 3?
Is picture D. Picture C
Okay, why?
is picture I. B. D is now picture C is no.
Okay, let's move on to the next slide. What are they doing in the picture?
Is table.
Okay,
Is tennis. Is volleyball. Is basketball. Is table tennis. Is golf.
okay. So they are playing sports, right? Okay. Can you tell us about the pictures in number 1, 2, 3, and the rest?
Picture one is artist piano.
Picture 2,
Picture two is browser computer.
okay. Picture 3,
Picture three is talk on the phone.
right. Picture 4,
Picture four is this is my friend.
picture 4,
Picture four is
right. Let's move on to picture 6.
picture six is picture
teacher. Thank you for participating. Bye bye.